This is Lareina with Family Vacation Goals. I'm going to give you a tutorial on the MyDisneyExperience app. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to navigate the app. On the very bottom, you're going to see a house for home, a map sign, a plus, a magnifying glass, and then the 3 bars. One of the most important things to know how to do while you're in the park is going to be to navigate. So let's go ahead and click on that navigation bar. You're going to see it's going to pop up a filter for you. Pop up a map rather, and you do have the option with filters up here. So if you're looking just to look at one specific park, say you want to look at Hollywood Studios, you click Hollywood Studios and apply that. It's going to show you all the wait times for today. You can see it on a map so that you can see where everything is, or you can show it on a list where it'll put the wait times in order. In addition to wait times, you can find lots of different things in the park. You can look at just the attractions. You can look for characters, dining, entertainment, the entire list of what Disney offers at each parks. If you want to look at which characters are available, over here. Chip and Dale will be making visits, and it'll tell you the next time for their appearance. You can even use it to find it on a map, figure out exactly where it is. You can get directions to it as well, and it'll take you step by step from wherever you are. So the filter app is very helpful. If you want to look at the entire Disney property, you're going to just pinch in on an iPhone, and you can pull out to the entire property and see everything that is there. One of the items I like to do is I like to use the search function, which is the magnifying glass. So for example, say I have dinner at Trattoria Al Forno, but I don't know exactly where that is. I can type it in, pick it, and it'll show you where it is. It's at Disney's Boardwalk. It'll give you the times, the hours, and it's also going to show it to you on a map in addition to walking directions. So that's taking a little while to load, but there it is. It shows you right there on the map that it's on the boardwalk, and you can pinch it out to zoom out. Okay, so that is the map function. Home is to the far left, and this is just your landing spot. It'll give you more information. It'll tell you where your entire schedule is, which would be here under home and then my schedule. So here's some of the different dining reservations I have. If you have fast passes, it'll show you the fast passes you have, and so on throughout your day. The next thing I'm going to show you is this plus sign. It's going to give you options to get fast passes, reserve dining, order food, shop memory maker. One of the biggest things you're going to do is get fast passes. So I'm going to show you that exact process. If I've booked your vacation for you, I will have made all your fast passes, and after your 3rd fast pass is used, as soon as you magic band in, you can get a 4th fast pass. So you'll come in here and click on get a fast pass. You're going to pick who you'd like to bring, who's going to be traveling with you. So right here, I'm just going to do my husband and I and make a fast pass for us. You're going to select your date. And your park. And then you can go and see what is currently available for that day. So for example, if I wanted Enchanted Tales with Belle, I would go ahead and confirm it. And it'll show me in my plans that I have got now on the 28th of March. Come on. Oh. Enchanted Tales with Belle. So that's how that all works. Do not do your online check-in. They've been having a lot of issues with the online check-in, so I'm advising guests not to do the online check-in. Back to the plus sign, let's look at reserving dining. Typically, I will have all your reservations booked for you. However, sometimes you may want to add a reservation, and you can do that here through the app. Make sure you cancel any dining reservations at least 24 hours in advance. Same thing with experience reservations. You can look and see what is available for 2 people on March 5th for breakfast. And it's going to give you all the different options. At the bottom right, this little filter. So if you want to just filter by location, like if we know we're going to Epcot that day, you can click on Epcot, and it'll show you what's available for breakfast or lunch or dinner that day. And it will work, but this website or the app can be very slow. So then you can book your dining. I'm going to back out of this. Come back here to order food. Mobile ordering is amazing for quick service locations. I love to do online mobile ordering, so I don't have to go and talk to anyone. You can redeem your dining credits if you have a dining plan, which I do recommend. If you haven't gotten a chance to watch my video on how it saves you money, shoot me a message and I'll send that to you, because I've run the numbers and I like to be cheap and get the most for my money. And time again, we find that it saves us money. So here are all the different restaurants that are offering dining. Mobile ordering. Now, my only concern is that since it's only 9:45 in the morning, they may not all be open, but I'm pretty sure Woody's lunchbox is, which it is. So we'll go ahead and click on order food. And then you can add whatever you want to. Let's just say we're going to add a breakfast bowl. Add it. You can make different changes and modify, just like kind of you would at Panera. And then you're going to review your order summary, and then you can check out. And it'll put it on your credit card. Like, I don't have a dining plan on this particular one, but you would have the option to use dining credits if you didn't. And you click all the way through, but since I'm not there, I'm going to not order it. All right, let's get back here. Here's the plus sign. We got Shop Memory Maker is not as used, neither is buy tickets and passes, but it will allow you to upgrade if you decide you want to. Upgrade your tickets to an annual pass. The search bar is, magnifying glass is used for kind of everything. So there's lots of different options. If you can't find something or you're looking for the name of a ride, just type it in there. Sometimes it's faster than doing the filters otherwise. Far right, we're looking at the bars now. This is going to be where kind of all your summary stuff is. It's similar to the home button, but one thing they have here is the resort hotel. This is where there will be, when you arrive and you have the dining plan, click on resort hotel, and there will be a little folder here that shows you your balance for your dining credits. So that's where this will be. Once you're on site also and checked in, not through the online check-in, don't do that, but once you're checked in from the front desk, you can also look and see, let's see here. You can also look and see what your room number is. There's a resort map. You can also unlock your door, but there will also be an option here under resorts for what time the buses will arrive. So check that out for bus schedules. Here are all your photos. So these are going to be all the different pictures that you've taken with your memory maker. They go here and you can download them. You do need to activate your memory maker. After you activate your memory maker while you're in the park, after you take your first photo, you will have 30 days to download all the photos. Otherwise, they will go away. So make sure you download those within 30 days. You can do the Play Disney Parks, but it will drain your battery. Can be fun for the kids while you're in line, but I would definitely bring a battery backup regardless, but this will absolutely drain your phone. And that's the tutorial.